my name's Jessica and I am the Organized Mama. I help families just like you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Morning routines are crucial for us to get out the door in the morning. And when I start to get lax on the routine, I notice that we're always late, everybody's angry, and somebody is crying in the car. So I really wanted to combat that and stop any sort of morning madness by streamlining our morning routine. I started implementing a morning routine checklist a few years ago, and this thing has been our lifesaver to actually get everyone out the door in the morning with minimal tears. I can't guarantee no tears, but minimal, okay? The reason why is because everyone knows exactly what's expected of them, and they get to pick the order in which they do all of these things. Now, for us, the kids each have to make their own bed, get dressed, eat breakfast, put on their shoes, pack their backpack, and brush their teeth. They get to pick the order in which they do all of this. I really don't care what order. Sometimes my daughter wakes up, gets dressed, including shoes. Then we'll do the rest of this stuff with her shoes on while she's in the house. Now, I hate having shoes in the house. It really bothers me. But if that's what it's gonna take to get her out the door in the morning, then I will let it slide, okay? I just wanna be real here. I am not a morning person. Mornings are the worst part of the day for me just because I'm not ready to get up. I'm not ready to talk to people or deal with anybody. And so we just have to make it work, and this is what we do. Both kids have this morning routine and they both run through it very smoothly. The one thing that we have started implementing recently is that my son makes his own lunch for school most mornings. And I say most mornings because sometimes he sleeps in, and so I just have to pack it just so we can actually be on time to school versus, waiting until he gets up. I'm not big into waking them up just because I'm not a morning person and we are very sluggish in the mornings. So he gets a little bit of time to sleep. It usually doesn't happen that often, but when it does, then I pack his lunch. So they each have their own agenda and they go through their morning routine so that we can get out the door on time. So my son is gonna walk you through his morning routine now. You can get your morning routine checklist using the link below. I swear it will save you so much time and effort in the morning because you're giving your kids the responsibility to actually take on their morning as well. So it really sets the tone and you will be able to breathe for a hot second in the morning. Love these tips? Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There are new videos every Wednesday.